This is fucking great, man. Now what the fuck are we supposed to do? We're some real pretty shit now, man.
You finished?
That's it, man. Game over, man. It's game over.
That's it, man. It's game over, man. Game over. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. Oh, man. The hits keep coming. Hits just keep on coming. But that's okay. Bitcoin will reign supreme. Alts will come back. Things will have a brighter day in the future. Just not right now. Oh, I hope you're doing well, even though, the cryptos are like getting slaughtered. Another day, right? And things are just not looking bright, especially with some new news coming out. The Department of Justice in the United States, oh my goodness, what are they doing? I have to say, this is a big fraud against crypto and crypto companies, but whatever. Right? This is the way it goes, right? We have to expect it. You can't expect the governments to sit around and say, oh, you come up with a money that's better than ours and that's going to destroy our ability to print money and be able to steal from everybody? Yeah, I guess we're going to have to just sit back and let that work. No. They're going to try to do something, and they are doing something about it. We're going to talk about that and more in today's episode. And so, yeah, let's get on with that. But before we do, right, I want you to know that we're going to be doing a little bit of TA at the end of the news. And if you're interested in, trading, you could always head over to bybit.davincej15.com, okx.davincej15.com, solid exchanges, or a new exchange, which, if you don't want to do KYC, right, and be able to withdraw up to 50 Bitcoins without ever letting them know who you are, you can head over to 2.davincej15.com. Links are also in the description. And hey, you know what? You could also refer friends, right, and earn a huge amount of money, 60% of their trading fees and so forth. So yeah, interesting thing. Check out 2Bit today. Alrighty. Just to quickly remind you that, if you want 20 minutes with me, there's a calendar link, so you can it's also in the description. And also, if you own one of the DAVITARs that have the call option, you will also be able to take a 20-minute call with me every 3 months. I'm going to reset that, and you'll be able to do the 20-minute call. Okay. Jesus. It's over. It's over. Game over. Game over, man. Game over. Honestly, you should be taking your money out of Binance, of course. Things are not looking so good. This guy saying, having worked in the U.S. SEC Enforcement Division for almost 20 years and managed many U.S. SEC Department of Justice joint prosecutions, in my humble opinion, there exists a litany of indicators that the U.S. Department of Justice will file or has already filed under seal a Binance-related criminal indictment. Yeah, that's how it is. It is a bad situation. Hey, what can you do? They are clearly guilty. No, they're not. Any more than maybe HSBC, which nobody goes to jail, which they've been caught money laundering for the Mexican cartel year after freaking year, but nobody goes to jail there. But people are going to go to jail. People are going to go to jail in Binance. Do you see the difference? You see the difference, people? You see what's going on here? Okay. It's a big fraud, right, with the government. They will prosecute anybody that helps the average person and allow the people who are actually criminals to walk away. That's the way it works. All right, so I'm going to talk about some good news, right? Someone won a huge lottery, right? I mean, it's like not in the sense of lots of money, but the odds of this happening is so small that he was just extremely lucky. A crypto miner, right, solar miner, Bitcoin miner, wins the Bitcoin lottery, right? The solar miner solved block number 793,607 on Friday evening using what was likely a single Antminer S9 rig. A miner of this size would only solve a block roughly once every 450 years on average, tweeted the software Solo CK pool. Yes, if you were to take your computer or any older mining equipment or even new mining equipment, doesn't really matter. The odds of you finding a block is so rare that you might as well have played the lottery and see if that would work. That the lottery would have a better chance basically than doing that, right? He was extremely lucky, and look how much you want. Only 160,000 for this lottery winning. So it's not a good idea to do this. Just because he got lucky, super lucky, do not do this. It is not in your odds to do solo mining on your own and hope for some luck. Anyways, you can see that Gary Gensler, right here, he's like so happy. SEC who destroying Binance. Yes, Binance is bad. Banks are good. Banks do not do anything evil. Only Binance. Only Binance. Looking at the charts, it looks like Bitcoin's setting up for another pump back up to the 26.5 level or close to it. You can see that price action is heading up there, but we are in a downward trend. If we were to go look at Bitcoin on a daily, it's clear. Where's the situation here? Are we making higher highs? No, we're making lower highs all the way. Anyone says that this is not a bear trend, I don't know what they're smoking. This is clearly where we are. We're in a downtrend. Look for shorts at around the 26.5-ish area is where you want to jump into a short. Where you can do so at 2bit.davincej15.com or okx.davincej15.com or bybit.davincej15.com. Links are in the description below. Heading to Ethereum, this Ethereum trade, I know that if you're in this, right, it is still got a ways to play out. You could actually take profits at the target, but I'm telling you, the target is at the $1,481 level. So $1,481 is where you want to take profits for sure. And you might take some profits here and then let it ride all the way down, because it might not take you all the way there. So you can want to set your stop loss to break even, and let's see what happens basically, because there's a high probability it's down there. Okay, looking at finally at the crypto bubbles. These things have just gotten worse. Situation is pretty bad, but the day will come where these things do reverse. Unfortunately, looking at the dominance, that might be a while from now, unfortunately. Because we've reversed here, broken above the 50%, the 49%, sorry. And yeah, next target, actually, if we stay above the 49%, which is likely, most likely, we can see this thing move all the way up. Let's see here. Let's take a look at the 13 EMAs. Yes, this is this is nasty. We're going to have a little bit of consolidation here, at least on the daily. You can see that we've bounced off the 13 EMAs, so one time. So having some consolidation, the next level is the 52.8% for the dominance. What does that mean? Looking across the board for any of the alts, yes, things are not looking good. If we look at this is on the weekly basis, you can see not good at all. We've broken lower levels here, critical levels here on Binance Smart Chain. We could see, unfortunately, that is scary. That is kind of scary to see that happening. But yes, looking at this chart, we can see Binance Smart Chain come all the way down to $96. Jesus. The earlier bet would probably be around $164. But yeah, look at that. Brutal. Brutal. Oh boy. Oh boy. This it's a bloodbath out there. But hey, you know what? Crypto will come again. There will be a day where the sun shines on crypto. You're just gonna have to wait for that day a little bit. But in the meantime, I hope you like this video. Make the like, subscribe, bell button and all, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.